Here we are at Goodrich Street in Augusta, Georgia. We're doing a little bit of crossing tours. We're only doing 2. We're not doing much, but anyway, we're just gonna start the tour here. All right. No, I'm sorry if it's windy in the picture, but that's just what it is. It's very windy. Anyways, all right. First signal, we have a WRS base. WRS gate mechanism. Western Colon Hayes 12 by 24 inch lights with a Western Colon Hayes base on it. And there's the back of a light right there. I don't know what the gate lights are. Maybe NEG? I don't know. Maybe NEG gate lights, but there's a look of them. And the bell here, you can see it really good because the sun's facing behind me. It's a Western Colon Hayes mechanical bell. The only bell here. And there it is. Western Colon Hayes mechanical bell. Now, we proceed. Those are not mileposts. They look like they are, but they're not mileposts. And we gotta cross the tracks safe and sound. While we're crossing, we'll get some track views. That way it is looking toward East Street, which you can literally see down here. It's right there, down there behind the crossing. That way it's looking toward downtown Augusta and Kimberly. I don't know. There's a crossbuck crossing. Actually right down there. Anyway, we have this middle signal here. It's a WRS base. And it has 2 pairs of Western Colon Hayes 12 by 24 inch lights on it. By the way, these Western Colon Hayes 12 by 24 inch lights with LEDs in them, these replace the USNS 8-inch lights. Now we head to the other signal here. We're by the powder works. That's why. You can see it curves here. And there, by the way, there's the relay case right there. It says Goodrich Street on it. Remember that? I remember that, but you don't. Safe train base. Safe train gate mechanism. And I forgot the dock tag, but I'll do it here. Crossing is owned by CSX. Dot number is 633730X. Milepost is AK 461.89. Lights on this signal are the same. Safe train 12 by 24 inch lights with LEDs in them. They had incandescent bulbs in there at one time. And then I think more NEG gate lights. And that will wrap Goodrich Street here. There's another look down there at that crossbuck crossing I was mentioning. And then after that, it goes into downtown, starting at Broad Street, then 15th Street, St. Sebastian Way, and Green Street, and then so on. So I'll end it right here. This is the Goodrich Street Railroad Crossing in Augusta, Georgia. Railroad Crossing Tour. Hope you enjoy. Please make sure to like and subscribe. See you guys later. Bye-bye.